Hello students and welcome back to our next part of the lesson, that is oral and audio visual sources. Now let's see oral sources and how it is important to study history. So we'll see what are oral sources. Well, oral source is a method of conducting historical research through recorded interviews between a narrator with personal experience of historical events. And it includes folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads. Students, a ballad means a song narrating a story in short stanzas, and ovis. For example, the povadas sung by Lok Shahir Annabhau Sate and Shahir Amar Sheikh during the Samyukta Maharashtra movement inspired the revolutionists. In this way, oral sources also plays an important role in writing history. Now, audio-visual sources. Let us first see what are audio-visual sources. Audio-visual is an electronic media processing both a sound and a visual component, and it includes slide tape presentations, films, television programs, corporate conferencing, and live theatre productions. Students, hope you are now clear with audio-visual sources, right? Now, Film and Television Institute of India, which is also known as FTII. Film and Television Institute of India, situated at Pune, was started by the Government of India in 1960 with the objective of providing public education. Now, Indian News Review. Indian News Review has produced newsreel and documentaries on important events, social issues, art, sports, important locations, etc. This department has produced many documentaries on prominent social leaders and the people who have made major contribution to the country. These newsreels and documentaries are useful for studying the history of modern India. Students, in this rapidly changing today's world, new sources are coming day to day. Huge amount of information is available on the internet today. However, the truth of this information needs to be verified. It has become comparatively easy to study history of the modern period. So, it is our duty to preserve these sources of history as they touch all the aspects of our lives. With this, we have completed our first lesson. Thank you.